Hi there, and welcome to a world where power meets perfection, right here at Streaky Bay Powerhouse Museum. I'm Johnny, and today we embark on an adventure that will leave you absolutely mind-blown. First up, we have over 400 engines on display, all fully restored and in perfect working conditions. This has been rated as one of the best displays in Australia, and certainly one of the best I've ever seen. So get ready for a visual feast as we showcase these engines that will leave you in awe of the engineering powers of the past. And here's the cherry on top. Keep watching to see more of beautiful Streaky Bay. It's not just about the engines. It's a journey through time and a celebration of the rich history that keeps Streaky Bay extraordinary. So let's jump right in. The real magic is the dedicated Powerhouse members. They work tirelessly to restore and display engines that have played crucial roles in various occupations over the last 100 years. It's like stepping back in time and witnessing the heartbeat of industrial history.